President sir, Chairman sir, and even H. Kelana, thank you for this honor. In brief, I would like to bring very pertinent issues that related to not the minorities I'm talking about. I'm talking about the minorities among the minorities. Please do underline. Christian community is not just a minority in India. It is a minority among the minorities, which we are facing a dire insecurity state of affairs in the land where we are going to die even. And the contribution of the Christian community at large, the whole history reflects about it. And the relationship between the Christian community and the Congress committee has nothing more to say. From the beginning, from the inception of the party till today, the Christian community is representing, and it is being with the Congress party. Sir, I would like to have your attention in brief. First thing, we would like to have the religious freedom, which has been curtailed at the cost of the lives of the innocent Christians. And secondly, conversation accusations, which has been my birthright, being born in India, and it has been even curtailed. And thirdly, sir, we are facing the legal challenges. Christian organizations and institutions have sometimes forced legal hurdles, legal restrictions on foreign funding and regulations that have been affecting our ability to carry out our charitable and educational activities. Sir, the political factors, sir, the influence of the so-called nationalists, politicals and policies in India have been raised concerns among minority religious groups. And land and property disputes, sir. The mainline churches in Telangana have been facing a severe and a dire accusations of land and properties. And as it has been said that access to education and employment. I would like to have your attention on this, sir. As someone brother has rightly said, we have lots of minority universities. Why don't you help us in bringing even reservations of at least 2% for the minorities, for the Islamic as well as the Christian community, and socio-economic disparities. Sir, before I close, I would like to have your attention very much on the giving status of Dalit to the Christians, for which we are always, please, as our sir, as Varghese has rightly mentioned, please do something for us. हम जिएंगे यहाँ, मरेंगे यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाएंगे कहाँ, रहेंगे आपके ही साथ में. शुक्रिया.